In front of me is REALME C75, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock app that's already on your REALME, and also misclick and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now choose this plus icon at the bottom in the middle to create new alarm. When you do, it's time to customize it. At the top, set up an hour. Then choose repeat option, ring once, work. You can adjust each day however you want to, and save it by hitting OK. Or custom, where you can pick days of the week manually. Once you finish, choose alarm name and label it however you wish to. Now click on Ringtone. Over here you have few options. You can tap on one of those system ones, like classic or nature, and pick any of those sounds. You can choose Spotify to log in and use music from it. You can tap on weather. If you do, your alarm will change depending on the weather, or you can hit custom. Then pick any song from your smartphone by tapping on it. Go back once you're done. Click on this switcher next to vibrate to turn it off or switch it on, and tap on Snooze. Here you can disable or enable it, and if you decided you want to use this option, pick how many times your snooze will repeat and how many minutes it will take. Go back, and to save your new alarm, hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To turn it on or off, use this switcher right next to it, and pick whatever you want to from the pop-up. If you want to edit it, click on it, make your changes, and hit done. If you wish to delete it, just hold it and choose delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!